That's some good snoring. Look at that little ball. Goodness. His little lips pursed out. His little lips are... I know he's laying on an angle, but that is just too cute.